Hi guys, look, this is what I do today. I'm repotting all the orchids. These are the remaining orchids that I never finished, and these are the ones that I already finished. These are the bromeliad plant that I mix here in this section. These are all orchids. All of this is orchid, and this is the kitty cat. It's too hot, but she like to follow me anywhere, everywhere. And this is a snake plant, and I put here is the Dracaena. I don't know how to call this plant, but there's a lot of it. And this is the ZZ plant. So these are the remaining, and there are more in that corner there. So that's the view of it, the whole area. And hopefully these orchids will grow. I repot all of this, and let me show you the rest, because there's a lot, and this is the only thing I do today. Okay, these are the rest. I repot this. I think this is some kind of bromeliad or snake plant. I think this is a snake plant. I repotted it. And this is the poinsettia that is growing everywhere at the back of the house. And this one is the Song of India. And this is another palm tree. Dracaena, poinsettia. This one I just repotted a week ago, and now they are showing a growth now. And this is the these are the one that I repotted before. I made a video of that after I finished putting it into the pot. Excuse me. And there are more orchids here that are dying. I don't know if they can survive. I don't know if I can revive all those. And this one as well. This is the what do you call this plant? Chinese evergreen. Yeah, I think this is the Chinese evergreen. And a jade plant here. They are happy now because I put them in a new pot. I give them a new soil. And there are more orchids here for me to repot. Look how wild are those. They are growing so wild. They are jumping out of the pot. And this is my dragon fruit. It has a lot of stems now. And this is the Euphorbia succulent. This one here, I think that's the Euphorbia. I'm not sure if I pronounce it right. And this one, I just repotted it a couple of days ago. And this Dracaena, oh no, yeah, I think this is a family of Dracaena. I'm not sure if that will survive, but I repotted it anyway. And there are more here. This one is really happy here. Look, it has a lot of new sprouts, new stems, branches. This plant is really happy. So there are more at the other side of the next to the gate there. There are more orchids around that area.